Alright, buckle up y'all. Here's a slightly longer than usual 5-minute tutorial on how to do this anti-spin flower move. We will be moving the hula hoop to distinct locations around your body. Bottom, your left, top, your right, and back to bottom. Grab the inside of your hoop with your palm facing up, thumb pointing down, and hoop off to your left. Your right thumb points down when it is on your left side, left when your arm is at the top, up when your arm is at the right, and right when your arm is at the bottom. So as you move your arm across your body to the left, your thumb will be pointing down. As you move your right arm to the top, open your hand and let the hoop roll over the backside of your hand in the direction towards your thumb, then catch it. You will repeat the motion as you move your arm from the top to the left. Here's a slowed view from the back. Starting from your left, the hoop rolls over the backside of your right hand and you catch it at the top, thumb pointing to the left. As you move your right arm from the top to the left, your hoop will roll over the backside of your hand towards your thumb and you'll catch it on your right side, thumb pointing up. Let's try that a couple times. The hoop is not rolling over your hand in the direction towards your fingers, but in the direction towards your thumb. Your right arm moves to the right or clockwise as the hoop rolls towards the left or counterclockwise. As your arm moves from each position around your body, the hoop is rotating around your hand in the opposite direction. Think anti-spin. Try switching between these 3 positions to get a feel for the mechanics of the move. Once the arm moves from your right to the bottom, the hoop is still rolling on the backside of your hand and in the direction towards your thumb. And you can catch it with your thumb pointed to the right, then move the hoop to your left side as you flip your thumb to point down. Your arm may feel uncomfortable as the thumb points to the right, so a grip change or hand position change to reset the hand here makes sense. Then you move the right arm back to the left and start the move all over again. As you get more comfortable with each part of the move, try connecting them more smoothly and not catching or closing your hand in each position. You can also play around with adding some speed. A variation of this move involves your right arm moving from the bottom to the right, to the top, to the left, and back to the bottom, or in a counterclockwise direction, while the hoop spins around the hand in a clockwise direction. As we catch the hoop in each position, the thumb points in the same direction that it did in the original variation. Here's a view from the back. Remember, the hoop roll about your hand will be in the opposite direction than the way your arm is moving. So as the right arm moves in a counterclockwise direction, the hoop rolls in a clockwise direction. When the hoop is at the bottom, and we do this move slowly, we need to give a little momentum to continue the flower shape. Since you've tried it with your right hand, now let's try it with your left hand. Your left arm will be moving in a counterclockwise direction while the hoop will roll on the backside of your hand in a clockwise direction. Your thumb points down when your arm is on your right side, to the right when your arm is at the top, up when your arm is to the left, and to the right when your arm is at the bottom. Let's go over that again. Let's now look at the view from the back. The hoop will roll over your pinky first as you move your left arm from the right to the top to the left. Try switching between these 3 positions. As you move your arm from your left to the bottom, your left arm may feel uncomfortable, which is why there's a grip change here as you continue the move. Try adding some speed and removing the grab to see how this continuous anti-spin flower move can look. Once you feel you have this version of the move down, try this variation where your left arm moves in a clockwise direction and the hoop spins about your hand in a counterclockwise direction. Try catching the hoop in each position around your body. Oop, nice save there. Here's a slowed view from the back. Now let's go over a transition. One I often do is start in a forward weave, then go into this anti-spin flower move. Try it out and see how it feels. Thank you so much for watching this video. Check out my beginner hula hoop tutorials playlist for more hula hoop tutorials.